the main protagonist of various leaks and rumors that have circulated on the internet, especially regarding the Galaxy S21 family. Samsung is also preparing to unveil its new mid-range smartphone series for 2021, apparently more robust than its predecessors. Its main highlight is the support for 5G connectivity as a way to popularize the network. Thanks to leaker on leaks, we had the opportunity to take a first look at the Galaxy A32 5G, considered to be the cheapest 5G smartphone from Samsung. Now, Steve is back again with new leaks, this time handing us the full design of the Galaxy A52 5G. The Galaxy A51 was one of the most popular among the mid-range smartphones of the brand, and the Galaxy A52 5G promises to follow the legacy of the older brother by making some improvements in the design and construction. Overall, the appearance of the Galaxy A52 5G is very similar to that of the A51, retaining the blue-green rear and a 6.5-inch Infinity O display with centralized punch-hole camera. However, it looks like the cameras now have larger sensors, somewhat reminiscent of what is seen in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In addition, the edges will adopt a metallic tint, which may indicate that we have aluminum here. We have a USB-C port for data and power, and fortunately, Samsung has not ditched the 3.5mm headphone jack, a trend that is also beginning to be adopted among mid-range smartphones. We will once again have the presence of a fingerprint reader under the display. In dimensions, the Galaxy A52 5G will measure 159.9mm length, 75.1mm width, and 8.4mm thickness, or almost 10mm with the camera module. And Steve thinks that we will see a price tag similar to the Galaxy A51, around $499. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G does not have a launch date yet, but it is very likely that it and the rest of the Galaxy A series will hit the market very soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.